Okay, para naman sa example na to, kailangan lang natin makuha yung tinatawag na density index. Okay, so sabi rito sa problem, a sample of uniform sand has porosity of 43% from the lab test. The value of the void ratio is the loosest condition, given to be 0.85, and a void ratio of 0.35 in densest condition. Okay, if the water content is 12% and specific, and specific gravity po yan, 2.7, determine density index. Okay, so para sa density index, ito lang po yung formula nun. Okay, so that is dr is equals to, so lang natin, that is dr is equals to Emax minus E over Emin, all over Emax ulit minus Emin, which is also equal to 1 over the unit weight of the minimum unit weight minus 1 over dry unit weight all over 1 over minimum unit weight minus 1 over max unit weight. Okay, so that is max. Yan. Pero in this problem, ito na lang siguro gamitin natin para mas madali since straightforward siya. So kung i-derive nyo yan, class, may relationship kasi yung void ratio tsaka yung unit weight. Okay, so pag dinerive nyo, yan rin yung makukuha yung formula. So you can also use this one. Okay, so ano na ba yung mga given natin? Porosity is N, 43%, or that is also 0.43. Tapos, pag sinabing loosest condition, ito po yung Emax. Okay, max void ratio. Kasi pag sinabing loosest condition, watak-watak siya. So, maraming air pockets, maraming voids, di ba? Kaya, maximum siya. 0.85. And also, for the E minimum, which is kapag ka densest, ibig sabihin, pagka buo. So, minimum or maliit lang yung voids natin nun. That is why densest. Okay, 0.35. So, yun. Plug and play lang sa ating formula. Okay. So, ayan. Pero, paano pala yung E? Wala tayong E. Kasi sa formula, kailangan natin yung void ratio lang. Okay? That is why, binigyan tayo ng porosity. So, pwede nating makuha yun. Okay? So, solve muna natin pala muna si E. Okay? So, remember that E, ang formula po niyan is N over 1 minus N, which is 0.43 divided by 1 minus 0.43. Okay. So, on your calculators, okay. 1 minus 0. Okay. So, that is 0.754. Store natin yan sa A. Shift, store A. Okay. So, na that we have E. So, sundan lang natin tong formula na to. Makuha natin yung tamang sagot. D is equals to E max minus E max E min, which is, sabi natin ang Emax natin ay 0.85, tapos 0.75, 0.754 for yan. That is 4. Which is naka-shift store sa A. Okay. Emax, 0.85. Emin, what is Emin? That is 0.35. So, yun lang. Plug and play nyo lang sa ating calculator. Again, formula ng ating density index ay ito. Or pwede rin ito. So, plug and play lang. Okay, so 0.85 minus alpha A over 0.85 tapos yung minimum 0. So the answer is 0.191 1912 or 19.12%. Okay, so yun lang. And hope to see you soon in our next video tutorial. Thank you and God bless.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engineering and math tutorials.